Hey guys, it's Diego from USP Motorsports, and we're here in Worms, Germany with ROWE Motor Oil. Today we're touring their manufacturing facility where every piece of the entire production process happens. Everything from making their own bottles to producing the oil happens right here on site. They mix their base oils with their additive packages here, and everything happens here, right? Oh, well, you're not, yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna keep walking. We're here in the ROWE manufacturing facility, and we're here with Alex. Alex has been with the company for 10 years now, and he's been the most awesome tour guide. He'll be with us for the rest of the weekend. What can you tell me about yourself and why you love working for ROWE?
So, hello everybody. First of all, my name is Alex. I'm 30 years old, and now I'm 10 years at ROWE, so I've done a lot of cool stuff with it.
A third of your life has been here.
Third of my life. I'm working in the product management, so I do like all the product development. I take care of all stuff that's coming along about the products, technical informations. I also do like technical training stuff, like with you guys today.
Yeah.
Technical training, automotive. For me, it's a pleasure to be here with you guys, and hopefully we can give you some cool insights of ROWE Germany.
You guys are coming off of an insane weekend at the Nürburgring. You guys just won the 24 hours of the Nürburgring. How does that feel?
That's an amazing feeling, especially for us as the ROWE team here in Worms. We are the big team behind this racing team, so everybody has his part in the development and the product, in the development steps. And of course, it makes us very proud to have this great successes on the Nürburgring. And it's not only one case of winning there. We won several times on the Nürburgring, and that's what makes our product so special, and how we can provide the racing quality also for your street car. And that makes us very proud to can provide you those kind of products.
So you guys operate, as you said, the second world's fastest rolling laboratory. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Exactly. We have our rolling laboratory, like you see here on our racing engine. We can test our base oils, additives, and also our finished product directly on the racetrack, our hardest condition. For example, 1 kilometer on the Nürburgring Nordschleife is approximately 20 kilometers on the Reed Street. So it's the hardest conditions you can get, and we can test like in the last % of the product. So, and we can guarantee you the best quality for your car, even on the street or on the racetrack.
That's amazing. Now, you guys are also developing a new product that's not yet available in the United States. It's called SunSpeed. What can you tell me about this? And if I'm not mistaken, you informed me a little while ago that you guys actually use a specific formulation or like a prototype formulation of this oil in your M4 GT3 Evo, right?
Exactly. So on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, on the last weekend on the race, and especially also the last years, we have developed, for example, our SunSpeed product, or the, like you said, the previous formulation thing in our race cars, and we are racing actually on our M4 GT3 Evo with the SunSpeed products in it, and also with those formulations. Our plan is to provide you and your customers in the US a street product for daily use, but with racing attitudes and a better high performance quality than a normal PAO fully synthetic product you already know on your market.
Yeah, and another thing about SunSpeed is that it is actually carbon neutral or carbon negative.
Yeah, here's the SunSpeed product has a negative carbon footprint, so it brings you the same quality features like a PAO product. But instead of this, you have a negative carbon footprint on this product, means you have higher quality and also a high sustainability on the street, also with high performance cars.
That's incredible. Back in the United States, we care a lot about sustainability. Typically, when you think about a product that's sustainable or has a negative carbon footprint, you talk about a product that may be inferior or thought of as inferior to your regular product or the synthetic version of it, synthetic alternative of it. So it's really exciting to see that SunSpeed is a performance product that is sustainable on the back pedal.
Exactly. So we take our basic product range, our high-tech product range, exchange the base oil of the product against a biomass product, and after this we use the same additive package like we use in our normal product range. And so in this case we can deliver you a product with a higher product quality than the OEM requirements are, and plus on top we can give you the negative carbon footprint, so you have the combination of high quality product and sustainability for daily use, high performance use, and also for track use.
So you can use this product in your daily vehicle and then take it on the track, and you'll get the benefit of a race oil that you can run daily in your car.
Of course, here in Germany we don't have issues with like bad fuel and stuff, so we can use our Easter products for racing use. But like you told me, the problem with E85 in the USA, of course Easter is not the best solution for this, and in this case you don't have to take the normal product range, so you can take the higher product performance with the Sun Speed range, even have the recommendations and specifications from the OEM manufacturer on it, so it's safe to go even if your car is in a warranty.
All right, Alex, so what can you tell me about the production process and how you guys keep the quality under control here in one huge facility?
So we have only this one blending facility worldwide, so we can guarantee you and your customers that every batch you order at ROWE has the same quality, because we don't produce one batch in Worms and one in Berlin and one maybe in different countries. We only produce in-house. 100% we can ensure that, for example, we have 3 quality checks. First of all, the raw materials, the additives will be checked. After a production line, so after the filling, we also do a batch control. So we have 3 quality checks for each product. And like you can see in back of us, there we got dedicated lines. Means we have lines for each product, so we don't have to flush our lines. That's also a point that we can guarantee you that we have no contamination in our processes. And that's also a point that we can guarantee you also the same quality of the products each time you order them.
What sets ROWE apart from your competitors when it comes to quality control?
We got our whole in-house laboratory here, so for each application, let it be engine oil, gear oil, hydraulic fluids, coolants, we got our own laboratory section. We can test all our parameters in-house, do several batch controls per filling line, and at the end of the day we can guarantee you a 100% guarantee. How it comes out of the company, it also arrives in the same way at our customers.
And you guys have batch libraries of each batch that you guys produce?
We store our batch samples like 10 years for every batch we produce.
That's amazing.
And we recheck all of the things we really produced in-house.
With modern downsized turbos and engines running even hotter, how have you guys reformulated the viscosity and the HTHS to keep up with those demands?
Yeah, like you said, downsizing is a very, very hard topic, because you got a lot more heat in the engines, less oil volume, longer oil change intervals, and of course also we as ROWE have to make our thoughts about how to get rid of those problems. And especially we're working with the highest additive and base oil suppliers. So we're trying to get the highest technology level, the highest base oil quality, because it's like when you want to cook a good pasta. It's not about only salt and pepper, it's like the additives in the oil. It's about the base of the pasta. So it's the same with our engine oils. We have to get a good base oil to get a good result. And that's what we are trying to reach right now, in the past and also in the future. We try to get always the newest trends and technologies, like the highest base oil quality, the highest additives. We also develop and researching all the qualities and benchmarks in-house in our laboratory. So at the end of the day, our goal for the future, especially also for downsizing engines, is go with the trend, be up to date with all the new technical informations, get the best base oils and the best additive technologies, and then you can work against those problems like downsizing, smaller oil volumes, higher change intervals, all this kind of problems. So that's our way to do it. We don't want to stagnate on old technologies. We want to develop us, our product and the company, and give this to you, that you don't have to be worried about your car and your car performance and your engine oil performance, that you're always up to date also with the biggest topics like LSPI, like downsizing, all this kind of stuff. We're always trying to beat all those problems on the market.
So one of the craziest things that I learned here today and during my stay here and tour of the ROWE factory is that the German people love to make extended oil change intervals, right? They change their oil every roughly 30,000 kilometers, which is honestly, to me, to the American mind, incomprehensible. Right? What allows the German people to have such large intervals between oil changes?
So first of all, you have to know in Germany for our cars, we can choose our interval. So it depends on the specification or approval you want to put in your car. For example, when you drive a Volkswagen and you don't want to change your oil every year, you can change your oil change interval to every 2 years or 30,000 kilometers when you drive the Volkswagen 507 or 504 approval. But if you don't want to change it all the 2 years, and you want to change it every year, you can also change the specification and the interval. But of course, in Germany, a lot of people are annoyed because they don't know the technique behind the oil. They don't know which oil is the correct one. They don't know which specification they really need. Those people who want to drive their oil like 2 years in an oil change interval, they don't really mind about their cars like you and me do. So they only drive their car to drive from A to B and don't want to get in touch with it as long as they can. So for them, it's a pleasure to only change the oil every 2 years because they don't have to think about the right oil, the right product, the right service every year. We as ROWE, our product produced to do this 30,000 kilometer interval. That's not a problem. But of course, also we provide our customers information that if you want to have more fun with your car or if you want your car to last longer, of course it makes sense to do the oil change even earlier.
All right, Alex, so you've been telling me that ROWE is a family-owned business. You guys are celebrating your 30th year open in manufacturing. What does that mean to you guys?
So in our company here, so I'm working here since 10 years now.
Wow.
So I'm living and loving the brand. And that's exactly what's ROWE all about, because every person you ask in our company here, everybody knows exactly what the brand's about, that it's the family company. When you got problems, even if you got family problems, you can go to our colleagues, can have a talk with them. You get help everywhere. And that's the same with our product, because everybody is aware of the product quality, about our passion, about our philosophy. For example, on the weekend, our racetrack and Spa, you will see a lot of similar faces like you've seen in the company, because they care about the racing team and our philosophy and our family behind this. It's not only ROWE, we are the big ROWE family, and that's also what we try to transport into our products. Because we don't only sell a product to you, we sell you a feeling. You directly feel the difference when you use our product, because we made it with love and passion.
So what you're saying is that ROWE, the employees here, have a hand in producing the oil that goes in the race cars. They also attend the races. You guys are like a huge family, from what I'm getting at. What does that mean for the customer?
I think you are the best example right now. You're here at Worms, and all the people here like welcoming you like a member of ROWE. So like you were here the last 5 years, and that's especially the feeling we want to transfer to our customers, because we develop our products with love and with passion, and so we also want to give the passion from the customer and the love from the customer back to him, because we don't only want to produce product for you and your car, we want to produce products for you and your car that you will be happy and gain trust in us and our family structure, because that's what's all about. On the Nürburgring, a lot of different people, just because one passion and one hobby coming together, and at the end of the day talking about engine oil.
A big issue that I see in our market now, I get a lot of customers that call in and ask us about weight.
Yeah.
What's correct? Does it have anything to do with weight, or is it the approval?
At the end of the day, it's always the approval. Especially when you drive a European car, the manufacturer and engineers of those cars sitting together and developing approval for those cars, that you get the best engine oil and the best chemical parameters for your engine. For example, when you drive a car with a wet running timing belt, you need a special approval for this car that the timing belt not getting destroyed, right? So if you want the best safety characteristics, the best product performance characteristic, and also the best protection in your whole engine, there's no way around the approval. So you have to get the approval to get the perfect protection for your engine. And even if you don't choose the right approval, it can cause damage to your engine, because maybe something in the engine or some parts in the engine don't harmonize with the product.
What you're saying is the weight of the oil doesn't matter?
It's not in a way that it doesn't completely matter.
So it's important?
Of course it's important when in your manual, your car manufacturer is like, you will have to get a 5W30 or 5W40. Of course you need to fulfill this viscosity. But of course they always mention the approval. So in most cases, you drive a BMW, you need a BMW approval and the right viscosity. The viscosity will never be a quality parameter of the oil. It only describes how thin or how thick the fluid really is. But the quality comes from the approval. And that's why the approval is so important even if you drive a car which is in warranty or which the European cars with a special approval on it, then you really have to figure out which is the right product for you and which product you really have to choose for your car.
So what that means is if you guys are using 5W40 and calling in and asking me if 5W40 or 5W30 is correct, the answer to that is a lot deeper than that. It really has to do with what the manufacturer really needs from the oil for the engine. If your vehicle is under warranty, they're going to care about what approval of oil you have in the system at that time. If you don't have the correct approval oil in the car, your warranty is null and void. All right, Alex, so tell me something about your production line. Here we are. We just saw the oil bottles getting full. They're getting boxed up. They're getting labeled. They're being sent up this conveyor belt to get palletized. You got this really cool machine called the Raptor that wraps all the oil once it's on the pallet. You guys produce your own bottles here.
Exactly.
With that, you guys are able to control almost every single step of production, from intake of your base oils to the finished product. What does that mean for your customers?
So, especially for our customers, it means that we don't have to stop production when we have like issues with our filling lines, when we have issues with our bottles. Because we have a holding and we produce our bottles in-house, we have our own technic team, so all the fillings line here, we do maintenance, we repair them and we build them on our own.
I was going to say, I heard that you guys have engineered your own in-house machines that fill the bottles.
Right.
So everything from the label maker, or I'm sorry, the machine that puts the label on the bottle to the machine that creates the bottle and the machine that fills the bottle with the oil is made by you guys.
And the benefit you got from this is when you order our products in Worms, we don't have to order the bottles. We don't have to maintain the machines because we have everything in-house and we can guarantee you the fastest delivery process because we can do everything on our own.
So what he's saying is that their production moves as smooth as their oil. That was a good
That
one.
was good, man. That was good.
Right.
That was nice, man.
All right, Alex, so what can you tell me about your full synthetic and PAO oil and your fully synthetic oil? I know that back in the United States, sometimes labels don't always mean what they state.
So exactly, we as a German company, we have to produce under German laws. So that means when we put fully synthetic on the label, that really means that there's 100% fully synthetic products in there, right? For example, there are a lot of products on the market. They have different labels because they don't produce under German laws, so they have to produce under different restrictions. They can put a fully synthetic label on the HC product.
And it only has to be 40 to 50% fully synthetic?
Something like this, right, exactly. And that's the point, because we produce under the German laws. When you got a fully synthetic product from ROWE, it is 100% fully synthetic. So you really get what you see on the label, and we don't do different labels for different countries.
So you don't end up consuming as much oil because it's actually 100% fully synthetic?
Exactly, and that's where the circuit is closing with the oil consumption, because when you have a fully synthetic product, which is really fully synthetic, the heat resistance is even higher than on the HC synthetic product. And
so it's a superior product.
Exactly, and you can get rid of the evaporation loss, which also causes the oil consumption.
I know that in the United States, a lot of people like to use additives inside of oil. What is it about ROWE that you guys don't recommend putting additives in the oil?
That's a pretty good question, because we have additives in our portfolio, but only additives like engine flush, radiator flush, or gearbox flush. But we don't have additives to top up your engine oil, because our engine oils are finished formulated. So it shouldn't be in your hands to put an additive on top on the engine oil to get the best performance quality, because our finished formulated products already have the perfect quality you need. Also, when you buy a product which has a OEM approval on it and you top an additive on it,
you've changed the approval.
You've changed the approval, and the approval isn't guilty anymore. Then at the end of the day, when you have damage, the manufacturer will say, no, the warranty isn't okay, you have to pay for your damage. Our products are good enough without that additive, and it shouldn't be in your hand to mix the product for the ready use, because our products are ready to use.
I mean, ultimately, you're also going to end up saving some money because you're not buying additives as well.
Exactly, exactly.
Guys, we're wrapping up footage here today at the ROWE manufacturing facility. We've had a blast. Technical trainings, interview questions, and a behind-the-scenes tour to the production here at ROWE in Worms, Germany. I want to give a huge shout out to ROWE Motor Oil and Alex, who's been with us the entire time. It's been a blast, guys.